Hello, my name is Sharka Bosakova, and I came to the Edge with my sort of 3D printing problem. And I found amazing community, great support, and also perfect equipment. We have 5 Czech Prusa printers installed, so I can't be happier, and as I said, the support is absolutely amazing. So just to mention what I have been up to. So I have developed a range of 3D jewellery, which is magnetic. We have inserted magnets, so basically you can, put the pieces apart and assemble, use them as brooches, as earrings. You can make bracelets. Lots of variable things. I can just show you principle on this one. So from the one piece, we can just really simply make horizontal, vertical change. So this is detachable. Now here, pendant again, you can vary. It's basically up to you, as creative you are, that's how you can use the set. And I was just participating in a fashion show last week from the QTCA, and one of the models was wearing with my outfit, basically like that. So easy, you can accessorize your outfit and change. So from here as well, brooch. In a smaller version, we have earrings as well, or pendant. So yeah, thank you.